Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to change your payment method for AppleCare in 2025. With Apple's ever-evolving ecosystem, keeping your payment info up to date is crucial to avoid any interruptions in your AppleCare coverage. Whether you're switching credit cards or updating billing details, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Apple ID on a trusted device. This is your gateway to all Apple services, so head over to the Apple website or open the Apple Support app. Once you're in, navigate to the Account Settings section. It's usually found in the top right corner under your profile icon. Next, look for the Subscriptions tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your active services, including AppleCare. Click on AppleCare to expand its details. Now, scroll down to the Payment Method section. You'll see your current card or payment option listed. Simply click Edit or Change Payment Method to proceed. Apple makes this user-friendly. You'll be prompted to enter your new payment details, like your card number, expiration date, and security code. Double-check everything for accuracy to prevent any errors. If you have multiple options, you can select from saved cards or add a new one directly. Once you're happy with the changes, hit Save or Confirm. Apple will verify the details quickly, and you're all set. One quick tip. If you're using AppleCare through a family sharing plan, ensure you have the necessary permissions, as changes might affect shared accounts. And remember, in 2025, Apple has streamlined this process even more with enhanced security features like biometric verification. There you have it. That's how you change your payment method for AppleCare in just a few simple steps. It should only take a couple of minutes, keeping your coverage seamless. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next tech tip. See you soon.